Hello guys, and welcome back to another Vegan Tuesday. And today we got something exciting and easy to cook. Anyone can cook this. It's a Mediterranean pasta salad. For this Mediterranean pasta, all of the ingredients are going to be listed down below, but you can just take a quick glance of the stuff you're going to need. Mostly fruits and vegetable and oil and some spices to spice it up and make it taste good. So let's just jump into the video. So now we have got all our fruit and vegetable together. We are going to mix. We are going to make the salad now. So I like to start by putting some seasoning there. Some garlic. We're going to be adding our vegetable, don't matter which order. So that was apple, this is cucumbers. We're adding some radish and some tomatoes. And you could add more of the salad if you wish. Going to add some lettuce. Just push it over there. And some spinach. And to top it off, we'd add some pieces of carrots. And this is the avocado. We're going to be adding that as well. And you could do it as big or as small as you wish. So I've got some black olives and we're going to be adding this. So guys, we are going to finish this off by adding a little bit of oil, not a lot.